They stay mowing the grass in this neighborhood, and I'm glad. Okay, so what I'm gonna do today is put on this wig. So you see how I just took off the bonnet. This is a wash and go. It's dry right now. I mean, it's moisturized. Not like dry, unmoisturized, but it's dry, like moisturized. It's not damp or wet. So I just put this on. A color that matches me the most. Then I put this on. This is for the wig, so it can be on this black one. Whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called. My sister gave it to me and I just figured it out myself how to do it. So if I'm doing something wrong, you can give me tips if you know how to do it better than me. But this is how I've been putting this wig on. Woo. Yeah, and then I put this crochet hat on. And then my handy dandy glasses that say Heartfelt Lucy in it. I mean, not Heartfelt, Heartland Lucy. I like that because I like Narnia, and they're the little girl, the youngest sister is Lucy, and I'm the youngest sister between my older sister. With my older sister. Yep. Just a fun fact that I like Narnia. And I got glasses with the name Lucy in it. And I got into the color blue a lot, obviously because of Jesus and obviously my spiritual mother. She got blue eyes with brown in one of them, and her favorite color is blue. And blue just reminds me of purity. So I like blue a lot. I like all different types of blue. So then I just use this comb to comb it as I desire. Such as I desire it to not be detangled. So yeah. This is it.